Hey everyone, welcome to Gaijin Partner, your go-to channel for learning Japanese, mastering driving in Japan, and discovering culture through a foreigner's lens.
Time to learn Japanese.
Asking somebody's opinion in Japanese.
こんにちは。
Hello, good afternoon.
おはようございます。
Good morning.
こんばんは。
Good evening.
さようなら。
Goodbye.
ありがとう。
Thank you.
どういたしまして。
You are welcome.
すみません。
Excuse me. I am sorry. Common phrases in Japanese.
はい。
Yes.
いいえ。
No.
お願いします。
Please.
わかりません。
I don't understand.
助けてください。
Please help me. Numbers in Japanese.
1、
1,
2、
2,
3、
3,
4、
4,
5、
5.
Directions in Japanese.
右、
Right,
左、
left,
前、
front,
後ろ、
back,
上、
up,
下、
down.
Time in Japanese.
今、
Now,
今日、
today,
明日、
tomorrow,
昨日、
yesterday,
週末、
weekend.
Useful expressions.
いいですね。
That's good.
どういたしまして。
You're welcome.
いくらですか。
How much is it?
どこですか。
Where is it?
Travel phrases in Japanese.
駅、
Station,
空港、
airport,
バス、
bus,
地下鉄、
subway,
地図、
map,
ホテル、
hotel,
部屋、
room.
Shopping in Japanese.
店
store,
商品
product,
安い
cheap,
高い
expensive,
サイズ
size,
試着
trying on clothes. General words for food and dining.
食べ物
Food,
飲み物
drink,
レストラン
restaurant,
メニュー
menu,
注文
order.
Thanks for watching Gaijin Partner, where learning Japanese isn't just about language, it's about unlocking a whole new world. Whether you're on the road, in the classroom, or behind the camera, you're never alone.
Subscribe, share, and stay curious. Your journey in Japan is just beginning, and we're proud to be your partner every step of the way.